because Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ne hunye clean. If Kennedy Agyapong, was it coffee? Me one Sammy and supper 1, 2, 3. Some people for ye na make kasan semino about Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia in his entire career political party. He has ended it.
Wow.
On the yere
Ezra 94
on the yere enti wo bin kan kire Kennedy Agyapong na ebeya NPP for wo de mom peno sesi I unim say na me kind na me refer to what we call the scapegoat in the Bible. I do see Leviticus chapter 16 even actually say nya for the bobia ye de mabon empata and you kuma boa.
Okay.
Nyankopon ka kire Moses wase momfa boa brechie na brechie no momfa bode ba be ye bone mpata ye wo onipa bone mpata de enye wo Nyankopon bone mpata
Ezra
abrechie ni bienu no wo mo ye bone ni nyina do mo nsagu so ka mo bone wie na bone a waye nipa entam de wie a Onyankopon de bone mpata no asa abrechie ni mamunku no.
Okay.
Adenti na bra ke ni nua ebe Nyankopon wankum ni diokum ni nua no wose wo obi amfane sanka wo wiase e de mark asenso de ahye so baabi a wonam bia nobody will touch you adan se nyame kura obi ya bone a se toda onku no e toda wampane so no fa musuo ko NPP for nim nyansa tie ma no pe a wo monye Kennedy Agyapong after all effort na sen ko mo se Kennedy Agyapong kra no o de onye campaign ma wo mo a o man fer musuo 94.1 they should never touch Kennedy Agyapong. Leave him. Tell baby who koyi Kennedy Agyapong fi party nim we ni fi man ayeden Kennedy Agyapong so won Sammy and Sape so kan wo Ghana ha Dr. Bawumia hwa opia yeso of fantoma na de akuru no ona na yere Samra so you can the NPP 4 year ni jai kare na Kennedy bie na no so kasa the entire country will come to a crash on the head of
Ezra,
Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, and it will be a suicidal for them. Obeka
can bet me sorry one day.
Omo ye on person mugu na ni machine.
Was say NPP say.
Na die na esi.
Bawumia no say. Bawumia no say.
Na die na esi. Kennedy Agyapong started can say if you dare me ne. It was in dare me and you don't dare him. If you dare me also boss yate. Nobody will dare you. Tanasi. Kum munko fufu to manini. And one no. NPP cannot tell us and not pay. Said they can underestimate the powers of Kennedy Agyapong and NPP party. Nobody can tell me this. Now no abom koto here, you almost 30%. And you see, do you know what 30% could do in our body politics? NPP frontier says Kennedy Agyapong is not Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Even Alan that has about 10%, 5%, you know, 2024, you will lose. The factor of Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng was part of it. Politics is about numbers. But NPP are behaving like a spoiled child. I am surprised. And NPP pa says I'm penning for a party in my wife. Now we are Kennedy Agyapong matwa baby.
Ezra 94.1.
Hey, obi edi nkuguo ana wodi ntwa na ninye. He will not be happy. Kennedy Agyapong have some bitterness within him. Obi a wategana hebi anim. And ono no say nipa no yawdie woni mu a onfansie. He let you know say bi di yaw.
Enema ha no.
Yeti kromo a yeto abawie yi.
Ezra 94.1.
Yen said nyahu any deliberate attempt by the flag bearer of NPP now to get Dr. Kennedy Agyapong sat. Yeah, politics is about numbers. Win with your enemy, and who we are, you can even dodge him. If I were Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia,
94.1.
what mutu abawie Kennedy is not happy. Ne surroundings is not happy. Hwe mukaya abra wo mukọ ni fie ano ma lusu that day no. Wose mo dia mo ntwen na time will tell. Munidi na mo home.
Emre no abekere.
Emre na abekere. Na we enye the end of the life for us. One more year, one more Thanksgiving. Look at the demeanor or the quatra as here. So when to me and Casso better few, he was forced to go there. Now and Ramo Kwakwa a private neck meeting. Now we are Kennedy Agyapong Mama Kasai. Now when the Binuma petition the neck, you Kennedy Agyapong free party. I listened to Miracle okay. Any other individuals are close allied to Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Oh, Abakwa uncle, ya break Kennedy Agyapong. He cannot hijack the party. Hey, is Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia aware of all these comments? And he's quiet. Obin kanche Bawumia say one day pay to me o. Yam fan say Kennedy Agyapong wa hwe oda form osra hwase biem. And papa we wanya politics biemu a forever in his entire life obedidi. He knows how to play his card. Now no Mobekan was say when even NDC were in power and omo man yerenom contract. Na NPP kura ba omo man hwe. So he is a businessman. Oje de ma we. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia yenim kuruma wonye business bia o. Dr. Bawumia onye bi for mo hwe video. Na eho NPP akwana ye boro no afuri nam wiem hwie pai na na osore no atiato hey look at this Ghana for NPP you are sitting in a position you want power oh ya nyina di onyo bia sa no mo ye na Kwabena Agyapong pa mempeno menene nya adwuma anado wo se kire ni eyi no Paula Foko kikiri oni because muyi ken Kwabena Agyapong muyi Paula Foko ebenya power nti you think say this time round Kennedy Agyapong after all hey the dominance of Kennedy Agyapong in our NPP should never be underestimated. But let me address issues here. Erisi. And na penny be frame. Na some people for ni mo muntie ni ye. Wo muntie ye pa. Says wo ma hwe ye. Na wo ma kwese afia Schwarzenegger echi. No odi atem na Kennedy Agyapong. Why you say hey, baby, I don't know. And they are all sitting down watching. Dr. Bawumia, a tactical politician. Oh, yeah, me say he's not a politician. Sabrenko, we knew you pay to me. Call Kennedy Agyapong, and then the crime meeting was Ghana, and then quarter UK baby. Munya meeting, Bemana, at the NCC at the INE. Every crown Kennedy Agyapong may not feel comfortable because of people around you. Sit down, man to man. Talk to him. Where we say even a basse on your campaign, Mawa. It is good for NPP to have Kennedy Agyapong quiet than him talking. Because Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ne clean. If Kennedy Agyapong, was it coffee? Me want Sammy and supper. 1, 2, 3. Some people for ye na make answer about Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia in his entire career political party. He has ended it. Wow. Onene yire
Ezra 94.
Onene yire enti wo bin kan kire Kennedy Agyapong na ebeya NPP for wo de mom peno sesi a I wouldn't say na me kind. Now may refer to what we call the scapegoat in the Bible. I do see Leviticus chapter 16. Even actually say now for the mobia and the mabon and pata and you come aboa. Okay. Now Kopon catch Moses. wase eh momfa bo brechie na brechie no momfa bo de ba be ye bone mpata ye wo onipa bone mpata de enye wo Nyankopon bone mpata
Ezra
abrechie ni bienu no wo mo ye bone ni nyina de wo nsagu so ka wo bone wie na bone a waye nipa entam de wie a Onyankopon de bone mpata no asa abrechie ni mamunku no
okay
adenti na bra ke ni nua ebe Nyankopon wankum ni diokum ni nua no wose wo obi amfane sanka wo wiase e de mark asenso de ahye so ba bia wo nam bia nobody will touch you adan se nyame kura obi ya bone a se toda onku no e toda wo mpane se no fa musuo ko NPP fo nim nyansa tie ma no pe a wo mo nye Kennedy Agyapong after all effort na sen ko mo se Kennedy Agyapong kura no o de onye campaign ma wo mo a o man fer musuo they should never touch Kennedy Agyapong. Leave him. Tell baby who koyi Kennedy Agyapong fi party nim we if you man heading. Do you know the damage NPP will receive? I was talking about scapegoat. Even in the wisdom and the principles of the Bible, as a reverend minister here, was a sa breachie. Obian ka de boni na boni amaye Nyankopon wuso. Mamon kuno, mamon hyero. Mon fane nkokwaye bretuom. Adusi, mudu kwaye bretuo ni mu a. Mon we am one sen so na mon kana boni na munya no no ni na wira nim
on na musa
obi amfani sanka ono abewu ano he should escape eninti na David say me kra adwane sa no ma afri ofidisumfo ne nsem yete akura se ne anom anwuma yewina anoma prebuo na wokọ na prebuo ni di kan chi anoma ni wi a no wa pa aboa boba na ase ebi anoma no bekuna no wakunu so obekene so anu wache
4.1 adum kumase
enti one ye di kan nwini prebuo enti David wo wa no hwe prebuo anwenwene no a anoma bi wo wa odu prebuo ni ho a otimi hyem na wapie otimi hyem na wapie otimi hyem na wapie enti David hwe anoma na no so ewrade se anoma bebre wo ho a prebuo timi chi wo mo bara no ma bi wo ho a prebuo ntimi nya de ben enche no enti bra yesuma fidie fa mitri ho no me kra ni dwane sa no ma afiri wo fidisumfo ne nsam afidie na bubu na me de ade me ho so etonda Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Agyapong NPP fuei pani fu wo party ni mu wo henfa se se hwan ni NPP futu
94.1 adum kumase
Money Kennedy Agyapong ye be paying. He knows your secret. He knows everything. Nobody should underestimate the powers of Kennedy Agyapong in NPP yet now. Na sabi wi ase ane me akura no won kaye NPP were forces businessmen penny for edinity. When you touch MP and Kennedy Agyapong sia, you have touched a lot of people mugus within the party. NPP should shut up right now. No munsia nyansa say Kennedy Agyapong say wo de owo mpe na kra omomwa no nka na ntum na omo anim say when the man starts talking
94.1
he will damage the party. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, why is he quiet at this time? Say Dr. Kennedy Agyapong o me petu mi bi mo party him until 2028. Whatever it is, you Bawumia is the leader. Why is he quiet?
Ezra 94.1
Ontimi friend kwale totofi we ya mobra edi atem enkan kire wo mo openly address the media press conference. My brother, hey, any supporter would do me Bawumia, don't go and insult Kennedy Agyapong openly. No be who say you don't support those nonsense.
94.1 adum kumase.
If you was lega ni de na edi atem wa America. Na America bo agye TV so no so to ayampia. and ya Kennedy Agyapong hijack party no. And I abrano. And ya say, who is miracle? Compare him to Kennedy in NPP.
94.1.
I said, what to opposition? Mopamo, Kwabena, Mopamo, Afoko. That era na buy na a yentino. You enjoyed it. And the demobia ni tutu NPP. Unsu anyansa say, and ye demobia and ye tutu no ewa abrabom. Oh, akomko
94.1.
Inti kofo NPP ni. Da rocha no NPP ni. Jack Ochanka obi tebilam tenuma NPP ni. Ah, enti NPP mpiani mu nyina wa henfa. Why are they? Why are they messing up too much?
Ezra 94.1.
Opposition.
Kumasi.
Do they know say even say 10% and the Kennedy Agyapong echi. Na so wo ka so de mo ya kan ni yedwa. Samrante e ko ho ya e ko bo ba ko so mani ti hwe fom. Why na sponsor wo? Adusi. So you think some boys here na sorry eh? And wo mo ya printed placards.
94.1 Edu Kumasi.
Me formante. Do some of them even know Kennedy Agyapong? How many of them? And the what party ni mo a omo ekura vote? Na makoto boys ya begina party headquarters.
Yeah, Ken out.
Ken out. Ken must go. Ken nkwa hin sisi ya. No, sisi NPP foi. Ken ankwa hin.
94.1
mo se Ken nkwa hin. Opa man ntrase. Say NPP foi ni nyansa what they supposed to do is say Kennedy Agyapong mamo nka no. Mo nya no bosom.
Onye di.
Mo de mo nya no bosom.
Cause otuwe owo yawdie.
Owo yawdie.
Enti enkoka no ma no mer.
Enkoka no ma ne ma meka
party ne ho fi.
Obi anka na no ntum mo ma ne ntra ne ba bi. Se munyi no.
Ezra 94.1.
Egu ebegu ni tiri so. Enti mo pa mo nka mo nya din. Na we die what ne ba bi di yaw. Mo ni me ka papa ya bo na brabom. Sa kai na. Odwe wo sa de obesi atua. Come on, go. Come on, go. Hey, NPP 4.
Ezra 94.1. Edu Kumasi.
Oh, I do see.
I'm
just sad for the party.
I was a party non penning for Tennessee.
And any party penning for to me and take any radical decision. What is he doing?
Because they be a who said can and son chair NPP and the Ubian son chair party, but said Alan or not the Kakra Koy. He say, met me aka say, Nipa Alan Drum Koy, Ken our more than that.
Oh,
Ken our more than the Alan Drum Koy. And he said, Ken so cast a walk. Now say, on also the Kakra Kwa, even a 10% to cross at the walk anwa, a bebo NPP nitiriso. Said the Yakano, Obianya bigger than the party. But idea was a party no aye and say. Yama Ken into them. Kwa Ken no say wano. Me fan say oyobia order form unsura wiase ko say Ken gina we ene Bawumia gina we de obetimi eye possible say no enu obetimi nya mampani de Bawumia enti say Ken bogumba obotia Bawumia Bawumia na hawo because eye na betodwa oh Ken beko the base Ken beko the base Ken beko the base say see as Ken ko the base ya Ken atwe NPP ba ni beko the base
no o de munim enka mo nka no because aboa bi wa no obewu Ken ebu okra no no apese ofrim momma ono amfrim na munya sympathy
yes
e wo party nim say you obi na pamo no
ono ana se wo
ono ana e konti e basa all the same people in the party Ken uduebu e we die mokwa koyi no okay say no na koye mo na mo pamo no why are they doing this
the hard dream omo ntenase so owura Bawumia in fact ono na epe mampani adi to ono na wo so sorry
94.1
Ken no ono so kan osemo pa meba be keka de mi wonyina obeka wi a Ken no de opa aka se Ken wa beka ye nto aba ma emfa no ho but a NPP amanyuku no said ya woka no omo ne Ken ntenase papa no de odi ya waboka wo hu ne wo se bia amanyuku no mpanimfo bi ni da ni yie wanu favor obi eja no eno de eda ye obedi yawo said ye alankasi di yawo di free party ni mo no eda ya Ken enso eya wani mu eya wani mu no kasa be na mo na ka said na wo ka ne say Bawumia ya to abayi kran ko wi ni yei e wo se nko afre Ken odi akopuam e bia nipa mu no ontime keka de ha no nkyerɛw odi ne mienu me aya menua no ana mo ye se me mpe wapana cha mo nyina mo tia mo nikonu kama odi onye campaign kura no a o mekasa e de ho na chitaafo onye campaign kura wo free party nim ani ntia da ya abato du so a na chitaafo Ken aya NPP ni Ken ntia ntoma NPP ba sa mo ye na Ken no kasa be free a chitaafo ni nyina beko ene youth dodo no a edi Ken etie enti party no me show opposition na me go bi be ye na Kennedy out of the party Samira nche omu hwan na de Ken kwa NPP omu hwan na de bia Ken ayede ama NPP no wo betimi aye bi e bi kra na mpanimfo no kra ni ho we o wo be kom no bia secretary no mpanimfo no bia ni ho we na emrantie bi wono abaye Kennedy must go Kennedy out from the party Kennedy Kennedy so we sa wo ni say what wo mpanimfo to wo ma sabe mobonto bi cassette ya no onu ni sabe bia waduro no na bia party mpanimfo bi to na sabe nkwada bi cassette ono Kennedy Agyapong ya eye party ni nti ene me nso me kama adwene no mafirim e say Ken beto bombo say gban no ofirimu a bombo no da NPP 3 so ko say ya tia bonten ye Ken baba cancer mo be dia di obi ko bo chichie mo ne na wo party nim anu ono aba be cancer ni tuntumi nkase ma me nyini say de Ken kan nya no kure eye no kure and it's one person baba kan yan hu se no credit a mo ne nkasa party bia secret wom party members the be this secret wom nanso so obi be free mu baba ka se na ye say na no na baba kan ye afari ni ade obi ade 10% obi ade ni say and no party member anaga ni no otchere no o na adwiri mu say sa mo kwan betena so mu ye say ana mu be ye say
obi said there is bo akwana sum no yankosua no university because akwa no wodani nani no wode ne nsari ti ha o we see na suna akwa twa no wow prim hey mama phone masumbo
hey wo asam no asam wo ya kansa no
it's so sad for the new patriotic party
asam pa NPP party no your 2026 o 2026 no ya kwa 27 yo fena mobile campaign o se Ken be kansam cry ye kro enu se bumia mani nguo no na atwam 2028 yo enti asra abanyuko no because Ken no hu ne say me ne hwe to lose me nyam na me pe mampani na die eni nti se me ba be hanya mu a do pe mampani adie na akwa atia no enu obekanso a na be adi enti abanyuko no ntena se wo me Ken ntena se eya odi ewo
Kennedy Agyapong so won samiensa pe so kan wo Ghana ha Dr. Bawumia hwa opia yeso of fantoma na de akuru no one na yere sanra so you can the NPP 4 year ni jai kare na Kennedy bie na no so wo kasa then entire country will come to a crash on the head of Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and it will be a suicidal for them.
Ken bet me sorry one day na waka ho
obeka
Ken bet me sorry one day
o mu yero mpeso mugu na ni masi
wo say NPP say
na die na esi
Bawumia no say
ka die na esi Kennedy Agyapong started can say if you dare me it was in dare me and you don't dare him if you dare me also boss yate everybody will dare you tanasi kum munko fufu to manini eno anu no onfare musu nko hey but where there you are daring
but say osuman ana say oni ye bi ebe ha party no na ye free mu a say NPP no e party a Akufo free mu a entimi say
as director of communications amopam Kennedy Agyapong free party no mu a ebe ha NPP electoral fortunes.
Well, my hypothesize it in a minute, but you better say party no suchubia. obia ni ho a betumi aka say NPP party no ono no free mu a enyama ye pe dodo say be ka ho ma na yema but say osuman ana say oni ye bi ebe ha party no na ye free mu a say NPP no e party a Akufo free mu a entumi say because abakosem ho abakosem wo
yeah
oko chika kra no a ebi a me mpese mabodi but binom free mu ye hu bebi o makwakodro oho eya ebe sisa mesesa abia kala ni de on be keep o sisa but edin ni de ebe sisa oho na yesa call NPP no mu say omo friend bibi sa na eyi wan ko bebi a pajo de say enko bebi abakosem no ho because party no ho from bebi a party ni free edeba. And unfortunately, a lot of things are historical from 1947, SCCF for UGCC, party, a lot of oppression, suppression, and a lot of political attack. Party, so my party not survival. No, be any say Fourth Republic for that many years in wilderness. Now, yet to me as a converge view. Now, the NPP Ababe, the one of the mass supported party Ghana no enya dia Akufo free mu a ebe ha adwen but any say enyina yente ho ase say ayekuo ene abeka ho ye botae a de beka ho ne say ye be hye ekuo ne ma yen anamo a be two party be boa party no ama na gira na so ama otumi akowini tumi aboa ama NPP ya ma Ghana konedim so wote ase sa na ba enya wo say wonkwa ho hia che obia ena say ete ho ase wo Akufo hu tumi hia che ekuo no ena ekuo no hia wo but it doesn't mean say onka ho a ekuo no ebegu na omode ato but so far ni de wo hwe reactions aba no a say nipa bebre eni anje dia ye bra peni kan
as director of communications who ni say NPP mpanyimfo no suru Kennedy Agyapong ana because constitution no is still clear article 3 no and no man nipa bi bayi a ebetimi ama party no enum egu ase
sa
na esteti asotwe a say yedema nipa no do we need petitioners to petition mpanyimfo ansana ye be take steps as party mpanyimfo a ye take steps ana
oh yes I think say kwan bia so no I say dey asem no beto enti no petition aba enti yemfa ne say petition aba enti no na ombetra so e dey ahwe kwan a o ka asem no se dey tie na dey ato ensani ani ahwe se wodifo anase wonifo na asotwe wo ho no committee no are recommending but your question specifically say penifo suru no ana I don't think say yes akwa no so say bia esuru anase nyesuru say on say eyekuo ye pe dodo say be kan ho na ono so ye openia other party wasum party enti no top da we man the benefit of the doubt na assembly o waka so openi wan kan ye na ye say on say but o yes akodum pempen so bia na eno no de ebro bia so a eno no obehu say sabre no party no emra no enu obedi enti I think say o do some pempen so no me say someone matepa messages am receive chira say party no say be amete ayeni ayedi party ni mu no party nya dia o party nya dia omo party ni omo de ankasa no the pain like yawa nipa de send you message say director dey na moye na omo ka the message bro no utumi hu say party for na ankasa no eni nche sa ne mo ye but so it will be a odi adenim na o manager you have to balance emotions but me make sure say we kwane we ba nyina say be ya ni nyina nko wie chiri no na party no hu abanyam but bibia eduru ni de I think say emra no na nyame adoma party penifo ade be adwuma na no na ma am say party for no ani beje ho say enko wie chiri na party committee transika so o oni for anase say anase bibia da din a na enyina akoye ni musa but I'm pretty sure say committee be wie na adwuma no na obia boato de yam I think so
right me jai communicators say wo NPP mu and you more drop party no. Tembia Kennedy Beka Sabiano, almost ba out to respond no. Because I won't try home party in your day and say because of Abia Kennedy ni interest. Ebi so say there be or responding one or become more. Enti or can be ama mumfi yenya no na won ka de opesa e wo party no. One now den kita ho no e wo party no. E so mo respond no and e so mu ja no na de opebia wo kan na.
David bro, I think say discipline here. Discipline here. And make a choice say no party for na ngasa no e wo ho. Ye de ni mu keke. Na bebre no a otumi say o makoma party lechi. Enti obi saa no a o hwe ade so ama no no na o jai ma nyoma we koso me a one twice thrice the way in na koso saa na nipa no bufu a o say etoda na wateada.
Okay.
Oh, and no affected party no more. But say discipline about party no, I think say we have indulged Honorable Kennedy Agyapong a lot party no. I indulge. Enti na brea ye dru sisi no. Me say me sure say what in impeding da. Say ye the petition aba because of itika say enye okay, Eko free baby as NPP for a Jimmy say anyway mu nyina no unhu petition bia sada. Because obia ni mu say e bufo na man yes ha. But I say a bass or ye do party near some party there. Oka omo ha omo some party no ha betumi akase wa some party ni but what I say aha but sir out best a creative problem no and I say yes more kind of mami who say all along no na party for no ebuofu including omo support no in fact messages I make catch no omo support no bebre na and send this information even though some supporting no kasa no a kind no the ankoye enti sa bre de I think say nra BC na party penny for anka hwea and na de ni de ground grassroots na kasa e no mobuafu enti petition ya be enye omo idea ni mu de ba keke e petition the collective desire of party ni nyina say opinion ye ma penny for to na no enti na enti na say dey party na ya okeka say when this petition no but we say me hunu omo de ba ye de menya hunu yi menya kan petition here but the point is say omo idea ni mu no there's omo consensus no will reflect the views of Omar a party for no omubuefu sasema kan ho nti obi nsuro no but say be ya party no ebe manage ni ye na ye di need ya ma de ni die se no na eno na ma se bia asem no ebi ba na mpedifo abu eni egu so because enye sa na de bia we ba na wo discipline but a doom pepper so bia a cross line bi dia e ho no mpedifo abetu anamo na meka chiro say e ho ene ye duri na mehwa penifo ebetran so na yahwe kwan a ebefa so a ebesisi.
From where you sit as director of communications amopam Kennedy Agyapong every party no more ebeha NPP electoral fortunes.
Well, my hypothesize it in a but ebeka say party no suchubia obia ni ho a betu aka say NPP party no ono no free mu a enyama ye pe dodo se be ka ho ma na yema but say osuman ana say oni ye bi ebe ha party no na ye free mu a say NPP no e party a oba Akufo free mu a entumi say because ya abakosem ho abakosem ho
yeah
oko chika kra no a e bia me mpese mabodi but bi no free mu ye hu bebi o makwa kodrum oho e ya ebe sisa mesesa abia kala ni de on be keep omo sesa but edi ni de be sesa wo na yesa ko NPP no mu se omo friend bibi sa na eyi wan ko bibia pajo de say ko bibia ba ko sem no wo.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.